NeuronWriter, revolutionizing content creation and SEO strategy. In today's digital age, content is king. Businesses strive to create content that not only engages their audience but also ranks high on search engines. Enter NeuronWriter, a powerful tool designed to elevate your content creation and SEO strategy. Let's delve deep into how NeuronWriter can transform your approach to content and why it stands out in the crowded marketplace of SEO tools. What is NeuronWriter? NeuronWriter is an advanced content creation and SEO tool that leverages artificial intelligence to help users craft high-quality, SEO-optimized content. It's designed to streamline the content creation process, making it easier for businesses to produce content that resonates with their audience and performs well on search engines. Key features of NeuronWriter: AI-powered content suggestions. NeuronWriter harnesses the power of AI to provide content suggestions that are not only relevant but also optimized for search engines. The tool analyzes top-ranking articles in your niche and suggests keywords, phrases, and topics that can help your content rank higher. This ensures that your content is always aligned with current trends and search engine algorithms. Keyword optimization. One of the standout features of NeuronWriter is its robust keyword optimization capabilities. The tool helps you identify the most effective keywords for your content and provides detailed insights into keyword density, placement, and variations. This ensures that your content is not only engaging but also optimized for search engines. Competitor analysis. Understanding what your competitors are doing can give you a significant edge. NeuronWriter offers comprehensive competitor analysis, allowing you to see what keywords your competitors are ranking for, what content is performing best, and where there are gaps in their strategy that you can exploit. This feature is invaluable for staying ahead of the competition and continuously improving your content strategy. Content structuring and formatting. NeuronWriter goes beyond just keyword suggestions. It also assists in structuring and formatting your content. The tool provides recommendations for headings, subheadings, and paragraph organization to ensure that your content is not only SEO-friendly but also reader-friendly. Proper content structuring can significantly enhance the readability and engagement of your articles. Real-time content scoring. As you write, NeuronWriter provides real-time feedback on your content's SEO performance. This scoring system takes into account various factors such as keyword usage, readability, and overall content structure. With this instant feedback, you can make necessary adjustments on the fly, ensuring that your content is always optimized before publication. Integration with popular platforms. NeuronWriter seamlessly integrates with popular content management systems CMS like WordPress, allowing you to optimize your content directly within your CMS. This integration saves time and ensures that your content creation process is as efficient as possible. How NeuronWriter improves your SEO strategy. Enhanced keyword research. Effective keyword research is the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. NeuronWriter simplifies this process by providing in-depth keyword analysis and suggestions. The tool identifies high-performing keywords in your niche and provides insights into their search volume, competition, and relevance. This enables you to target the right keywords and drive more organic traffic to your site. Optimized content creation. Creating content that ranks well on search engines requires more than just keyword stuffing. NeuronWriter ensures that your content is optimized for SEO while remaining engaging and valuable to your audience. The tool's AI-powered suggestions and real-time feedback help you strike the perfect balance between SEO optimization and content quality. Improved readability and engagement. Search engines prioritize content that is not only keyword optimized but also readable and engaging. NeuronWriter helps you achieve this by providing recommendations for improving the readability and structure of your content. This not only enhances the user experience but also increases the likelihood of your content being shared and linked to, further boosting your SEO efforts. Competitor benchmarking. Keeping an eye on your competitors is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. NeuronWriter's competitor analysis feature allows you to benchmark your content against top-performing articles in your niche. By understanding what works for your competitors, you can refine your own content strategy and continuously improve your SEO performance. Content refresh and repurposing. SEO is not a one-time effort. It requires ongoing optimization. NeuronWriter helps you keep your content fresh and relevant by providing suggestions for content updates and repurposing. This ensures that your existing content continues to perform well and drive traffic to your site over time. Why choose NeuronWriter? User-friendly interface. NeuronWriter boasts a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users of all skill levels to create and optimize content. The intuitive design and straightforward navigation ensure that you can quickly get started and make the most of the tool's features. Comprehensive support and resources. In addition to its powerful features, NeuronWriter offers comprehensive support and resources to help you get the most out of the tool. From detailed guides and tutorials to responsive customer support, you'll have all the assistance you need to succeed in your content creation and SEO efforts. Cost-effective solution. NeuronWriter provides a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. With various pricing plans to choose from, you can select the one that best fits your needs and budget. The value offered by NeuronWriter far outweighs the investment, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their content and SEO strategy. Conclusion. NeuronWriter is a game-changer for anyone serious about content creation and SEO. With its AI-powered features, comprehensive keyword optimization, and real-time feedback, NeuronWriter empowers you to create high-quality, SEO-optimized content that stands out in the crowded digital landscape. By leveraging the power of NeuronWriter, you can take your content strategy to the next level, drive more organic traffic, and ultimately achieve your business goals. Harness the power of NeuronWriter today and transform your content creation and SEO strategy. With NeuronWriter by your side, you'll have the tools and insights needed to outrank your competitors and succeed in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing.